Welcome to our tutorial on how to create an avatar on Snapchat using your Android device. Follow these easy steps to customize your own avatar. 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Look for the yellow ghost icon on your home screen and tap on it to launch the app. 2. Once you are in the Snapchat app, locate your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. It is usually a small circular icon representing your account. 3. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile settings and options. 4. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically signifies settings or options within the app. 5. Tap on the gear icon to enter the settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Snapchat account. 6. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Bitmoji. Tap on the Bitmoji option to start creating and editing your avatar. 7. Once you tap on Bitmoji, you will be taken to a section where you can create and customize your avatar. This feature allows you to personalize your avatar with different features, outfits, and expressions. By following these steps, you can easily create a unique and personalized avatar on Snapchat to enhance your interactions and express yourself creatively on the platform. Enjoy customizing your avatar and have fun using it in your Snapchat chats and stories.